Are you a Toyota owner, frustrated by rising fuel costs? Your car might be burning more fuel than it should, and the reasons might surprise you. We'll uncover both common and hidden causes behind your Toyota's increased fuel consumption. First, check your tire pressure. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, making your engine work harder. Worn-out spark plugs lead to inefficient combustion, wasting fuel. Aggressive acceleration, speeding, and sudden braking waste fuel. Now, let's explore the hidden causes. A faulty O2 sensor sends incorrect data. This leads to an overly rich fuel mixture, burning more than needed. A dirty or fail-in MOF sensor misreads air intake, causing the engine to inject too much fuel. If the ECT sensor fails, the engine might think it's always cold, running a richer fuel mixture. Leaky or clogged fuel injectors disrupt precise fuel delivery, impacting efficiency. A stuck-open thermostat prevents optimal engine temperature, leading to inefficient fuel use. Finally, a clogged catalytic converter creates back pressure, reducing engine efficiency. So, what are the solutions? Regular maintenance is key. Emphasize checking and replacing components like air filters, spark plugs, and O2 sensors. Adopt efficient driving habits, smooth acceleration, steady speeds, and anticipating stops. For complex sensor issues or problems, always seek professional diagnostics and help. By addressing these common and hidden causes, you can significantly improve your Toyota's fuel efficiency. Check your Toyota for these issues and share your experiences in the comments below.